Okay, so we had problems with mice getting in the Toyota, and I couldn't figure out how they were getting in. I tried everything. I put traps, bait, I put lights. I couldn't stop them from getting in. So thanks to my neighbor, shout out to Lloyd, he told me about this weird thing that Toyotas have going on, and he made a suggestion on how to fix it. So I'm going to show you how that is. This strip here that runs all along here where your wipers go, you take your wipers off, this bit of plastic will come out, and it fits up under there like that. Let's go to this side and remove it over here. See, and obviously we got, I don't know how this clip got in there, but this will just come out. It's hard to do with one hand. So you can see, at least on this one, there's a little hole here, and that fits in this rubber weather stripping back here. It fits into there. But anyway, when you take this out, you get up under here, you can see that there's this nice big area, and it gets a bunch of stuff in it. So this is where your mice get in. Okay, you can see if you look under here, there's these giant holes, and they're pretty big. So what I did, I figured that the mice were getting in this way because, I mean, one time we went out and got a burger, and we had these paper towels in the glove box, and I reached in there and there was all a bunch of turds and whatever. So what I did was I cut this very small, and you could probably, this is 1/2 inch, you could probably go to 1/4 inch, and I fit them in over these vents, and that stopped the mice from getting into the car. Since I did this, there haven't been any mice in here. And I also, if you see, I stuck a piece of steel wool in this hole here, so the mice can no longer get in. They can no longer get in through these holes. So if you have a Toyota and you notice that you're having issues with mice, I would suggest doing this. Take your wipers off, take this plastic cover off, get in here and put something in these holes that doesn't prevent the air from getting through, but that prevents the mice from getting through, or at least deters them anyway. I figure a mouse could probably squeeze through this if it really wanted to, but this seems to have done the trick over the years, and I'm pleased with it. The only other thing that I'm going to do today, because I put steel wool here and it didn't really work, is you want to make sure that these washers push up against that, because if these are down at all, the mice can come in through the opening in that piece of this plastic shroud here and go right in there. But anyway, quick tip for the day.